think you should.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Fire Trader from firetrading.org, and I wanted to go over our morning notes with you guys as well as some of the trades that we took. Here's our morning notes. You know, these notes are posted 45 minutes before the market opens every day. Go in, write them, I post them, and then about 15 to 20 minutes before the market opens, I hop on mic and we discuss them, and then we trade live. But I wanted to discuss some of them with you guys. First off, ALBO. This one is gapping up, phase 3. Pretty good news, actually. But it was gapping up, you know, just a little too much, in my opinion. What I was looking for was a flush down to 45 and under. And there's some pretty good support there. If we could hold that 45, then I was looking for that bounce. But once we saw it get slammed back down through it, you know, I didn't trade this one today. I know a few traders shorted it. Once we saw it break that 40, we just faded it off back down to 40 and under. And that was it, basically. It hasn't done anything since then. But two trades I did trade today, GM and NKLA, both pretty good news. But the thing is, you know, it's good news for both of them, but it's still a long ways out, right? So this one could go either way. If it got a little bit sold off out of the open, then look for the long. If it started to pop out of the open, then it's a quick long, and then watch for the short, right? So GM wanted to pull out of the open right down here, 30.70 and under. And NKLA wanted a pull down here, 42 and under, and go long on both of them. So we'll pull them up here. NKLA. GM, NKLA. So we got the pull out of the open on GM, and that was it. You know, we didn't quite get 30.75. We got 31. Once we saw the bottoming set in here, started making this higher low right here. Once we started breaking that right there, that's the long right there, and take it on up. We had a 33 target, and then after that we're shooting for 34. Once, you know, it started stalling out, broke this little uptrend, we took it off and we were done with it. And NKLA, this one was a beautiful trade this morning. We got the pull right down here, 42, 42.50. We'll watch for the bottoming, grab it long. This is where I grabbed it long right here, off this flag. What I was looking for on this one was a pull right back down to here to test this breakout point. Once we saw it bust through this, that was pretty much it. Bottom was in. What I was looking for was a pull right back down here to test this breakout level. And once we kind of started the buyer, seeing the momentum start coming in again, grabbed it here. Next candle make a new high and took it on up. 50 was our target. We hit it, and that was that. Yeah, beautiful trade. Actually went off to 55, about pre-market highs. But, you know, 8-point trade, beautiful trade. I'll take it any day. BNTX, this one really didn't do much. You know, when I was checking it out pre-market and writing my notes and everything, it was still up a little ways pre-market. So the thing with BNTX, it always sells its gaps. Okay, every time it gaps up, it sells its gaps. So right here, always sells its gaps. Look for a quick pop. If it does pop to 63, it's going to be a good short. Fade it back down to 60 and under. But, you know, unfortunately, this one didn't do a whole lot today. And, you know, we got the quick pull out of the open. But, yeah, I personally didn't trade this one today just because it didn't have enough range. Peloton was my other baby this morning. Peloton was kind of gapping down with the market, but they had some pretty good news. New product. So with this one, I was looking for a, if it could hold this 78.75 out of the open, starts to push, grab it long for a quick pop to 85 plus on it. Then top it off, let it pull back, consolidate before I grab it long for the next leg. PTON, show you guys right here. Right here, here's 78.75 right there. Oops, sorry about that. 78.75. Where is it? Right about there. Opened up. Once we saw this little flag get put in right here, that was the entry point. I actually nibbled a little bit right here off this little micro flag right out of the open. Once we saw it kind of pop up here, I grabbed it right here. Candle make a new high. Took it on up for a couple points, and then I actually took some off there, scaled out some, and then I added back into it right here off this downtrend break. Came back down, kind of tested this right here. Once it started breaking that, add into it and take it on up to 90. Beautiful trade. We were looking for 85, and then we were looking for 90 on it. We hit both targets. Beautiful trade. And last one was Tesla. Tesla actually took a loss on this one this morning. Little paper cut, nothing too bad. But I was looking for a pull out of the open right down here, 340 and under, and go long. I'll show you guys what I did here. Whoops, Tesla. I just got a little bit antsy with it. I actually, we nailed the bottom. Once we saw it bounce here off this 335, kind of pop back up. This is where I took it, right here off this little downtrend break. I took it long. I was looking for this push. No, I take that back. I took it off this downtrend break right here. Sorry, Thinkorswim's freezing here. But I took it off this downtrend break right here. I was looking for 350, first target, and then we're shooting for 360. And once we couldn't hit this 350, I was waiting. And once it started to come back down, I actually, I was doing pretty good for the morning, and I didn't want to get anything back. So I took it off for about a 20 cent loss, I think, right down here. But all in all, if I would have been patient with it, the idea was right. We hit that 340, and we got that nice bounce back up. So all in all, it was the idea was there, but if I would have just been patient, it would have worked out. But anyways, those are our notes from this morning. Yeah, if you guys want to trade with us, you guys can get 50% off first month. If you guys use welcome50, you can get 50% off in the day trading chat room. And if you guys are interested, you can go to our blog here and look at our notes for September 8th, and you guys can see a recent trade review. Just kind of see how we trade. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.